Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
In my last video, I promised to explain the different types of round fade, and today we are doing exactly that. So basically, there are three types of round fade.
We have low round fade, mid round fade, and the high round fade. And while I explain the differences, I will also walk you through how to perform a clean low round fade, step by step. To begin a low round fade, start with your clipper lever fully closed. Then, create a clean bud guideline about half an inch above the ear, going evenly around the head. Make sure you clear the hair properly around the neck area. This becomes your first guideline, so keep it low and consistent. That's what defines a proper low fade. Next, open your lever fully and create a second guideline slightly above the first. Keep your movement controlled and don't go too high. Remember, for a low round fade, everything stays as low as possible. Like I mentioned earlier, in this video we are going to talk about the three types of round fade. Now let's talk about the mid round fade. Unlike the low round fade, the mid fade starts higher around the middle of the head. It gives a more balanced and noticeable transition. I will be doing a full breakdown on how to cut mid round fade in my next video. Now back to our low round fade. Attach guard number 1 and open the lever fully. Use it to reduce the bulk above your second guideline. Work evenly around the head, making sure the hair is balanced and consistent. Control your clipper lever as needed depending on the hair length. Stay using your guard number 1. Close your clipper lever and begin blending the first guideline into the second. At this stage, the line may not disappear completely. That's normal. Now remove the guard number 1 and open your clipper lever fully. Start detailing your fade. Use your lever control, half open, fully open, depending on what the fade needs. Focus on removing dark spots and achieving a smooth professional blend. Now let's talk about the third type of round fade, which is high round fade. This is a more defined style where the fade starts high up on the head and blends quickly into the skin. It gives a sharper, more dramatic look. I will also be making a full tutorial video on this very soon. Now let's finish our low round fade with a clean lineup. Use your trimmer to define the edges. Pay proper attention to the angles. Take your time, don't rush this step. As a professional barber, your hands must stay steady and controlled. Even when clients move or get distracted, you must maintain focus and deliver a sharp finish. If you have razor available, use it to sharpen the lineup further and give it that extra clean, crisp look. And here we have it, a clean, well executed low round fade. So in this video, we have covered the three types of round fade: low, mid, and high round fade. I trust you have learned something new today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more professional barber tutorials. See you in the next video.